Pleased to have you all back in Hello again, and thank you for visiting Wealthy Coin. To replenish 90% of the ship's initial supplies would take 25 years, calculated using September's fuel consumption levels. However, even if you burn your dollar on a Shiba Inu, it may not be worth it. If 90% of the total Shiba Inu tokens were destroyed, there would still be 100 trillion in circulation. A total of $5.7 billion has been placed on Shiba Inu's backs in the form of a market value. News that Vitalik Buterin has put $100 million into Shiba Inu is discussed in this video. Get the latest updates on Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis by subscribing to the channel and giving the videos a big thumbs up, sharing them, and viewing them. There is no time to waste, so let's get right into the video. As of October 13, on market cap date, there were 1,223,516 Shiba Inu investors. The increase of 9% compares favorably to the previous day's total of 1,114,483. Analysts had predicted that, as cryptocurrency's popularity dwindled, people would lose interest in the meme altcoin. The crew is not giving up on the asset, though, and is instead brainstorming new methods to make use of the cryptocurrency. It would take a few more years of ship burning to get down to the last few billion tokens. This, however, is predicated on the month of October. Shiba Inu tracking data from July predicted that purchasing 90% of the ship supply would take 10 years. To get closer to the $1 price, offering incentives for individuals to destroy the ship could increase the number of burns significantly. Already 41% of Shiba Inu's initial supply has been consumed. However, most of this was spent by Vitalik Buterin. Only 0.2% of the available stock has been spent thus far. In the past 18 months, Shiba Inu owners have burned a percentage of their token supply. Then, initiatives were established to donate a portion of their earnings to the SHIB burning costs. The Shiba Swap Lead Development Group has lately taken control of the burn gateway in order to provide passive money to everyone who burns SHIB. Together, these endeavors will propel Shiba Inu to greater success and allow it to catch up to rivals. Shiba Inu fires cost $17,500 in September. There would be enough money left over to burn 11 Shiba Inus in a quarter. The recent upswing in the price of Shiba Inus has been reversed by a lack of positive impetus. The price of SHIB will most certainly reverse its recent gains and drop further before returning to a key support level. The highly volatile incident on October 13 caused the Shiba unit price to drop 11%, with the fair value gap at FG ranging from 83 cents to 92 cents. SHIB made up its losses before the end of the trading day, and its price ended up being higher than when it opened. Despite the positive nature of this change, it has not been followed up on. This has resulted in a stagnant market for Shiba Inus. SHIB will likely continue losing weight if the price of Bitcoin doesn't stabilize and spark a recovery. The 83 cents FGS lower limit is an important level to keep an eye on since it is close to the 81 cents point of control, or POC, which has seen the most volume traded since May 2021. If market circumstances have improved, a retest of one of these levels could be an excellent opportunity to accumulate. The Shiba Inu price is likely to reverse, causing investors to profit. Considered from the position of those who create and control markets, it would be prudent to begin unloading at the equal highs of 179 cents. If the meme coin were to rise by this amount, it would represent a gain of around 119% and is probably its maximum possible value. If, however, the Shiba Inu price forms the daily candlestick below the POC at 81 cents, this would disprove the bullish argument. This would put the Shiba Inu price at risk of falling back to the 74 cents level, which has served as support in the past. When trading with this pattern, bullish positions are what traders aim for most of the time. The space between the head and the neckline is the intended breach point. The price of Shiba Inus has dropped below the neckline support and is currently trading near support. To confirm the trend's credibility, a price must rise above the prior high. Until the MVL rises back above the meme line, investors are hesitant to sell. So, a 16.25% breakout to $0.1 to $0.8 is more likely to be justified if demand rises and sheer trends north. As a result of the unfavorable state of the international economy, the bear market appears to be robust and far from over. In order to avoid getting caught in a bull trap, traders might think about cashing out some of their gains before the market opens. Price increases for Shiba Inu may level off at 1100 cents. On April 23, 2000, users at these addresses bought 67.33 trillion Shib tokens. The price falls because these investors sell at a profit just to break even as the price rises. Ethereum was created by Buterin, a Russian-Canadian who was born in a tiny village close to Moscow. He helped launch Bitcoin magazine and was an early advocate for digital currency. Along with Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Diorio, and Joseph Lubin, he established Ethereum in 2011. Vitalik Buterin's current wealth is estimated at $1 billion. The other token interacts with the Ethereum blockchain and is traded for financial services and the selling of crypto collectibles like non-fungible tokens. In 2021, Vitalik saw his wealth fluctuate widely. On November 8 of that year, ETH peaked at $4,818.08, valuing the other wallet at $1.71 billion. At the start of the bear market in January 2022, foreign exchange was trading at $3,683.05. Yet, he still maintains his status as a millionaire. Other popular meme tokens that he owns in substantial quantities include $505 billion in Shib, $50 billion in Akita, and $500 billion in Doge. As a result of the lunar calamity, both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have entered terrifying red zones, despite the fact that in 2021, Vitalik Buterin donated $100 million worth of Shiba Inu cryptocurrencies to the Indian COVID-19 Relief Fund. He gave the Dogecoin Foundation an estimated $1 million in stage value. Buterin was considered for the 2016 and 2018 editions of Forbes' list of the 40 most promising young professionals in business, winner of the 2014 World Technology Award and a member of Forbes' 30 Under 30 list. He came up with the concept for Ethereum with the lofty goal of radically re-architecting the web after meeting Bitcoin developers around the world and learning about the currency's potential limitations. For his project, he set out to improve upon Bitcoin's scalability and its potential uses. With increasing resistance to highly effective BW mining, the POS consensus is gaining favor among crypto fans, making the merge, formerly known as Ethereum 2.0, the most anticipated event in the industry. Ethereum's dev operations team has been on a lengthy road since 2020 to bring you the latest version of Ethereum, ETH 2.0. Since its inception, Shiba Inu has been a profitable investment, proving that early adopters of new cryptocurrencies often reap the greatest rewards. Despite a lackluster 2022, the Shiba Inu price forecast for 2023 suggests the breed could be profitable for investors. Based on projections for its value in 2025, Shiba Inu may be a decent investment for long-term crypto enthusiasts, but traders aiming for quick profits should go elsewhere. When it comes to the Shiba Inu, it's too late to cash in on a large profit. According to the Shib Twitter account, more than 50,802,530 Shib were burned in 6 separate transactions within the past 24 hours.